The opposition is preparing to target the government over the Choppergate scam, where alleged kickbacks were paid to swing the deal of 12 VVIP choppers. While the JDU and the BJP have promised to take up matter in the coming budget session, which is expected to be a stormy one and may see another washout over the heat generated on the chopper scam. The opposition claims that the CBI is under pressure from the government and it cannot be trusted to handle the Choppergate scam probe. The opposition has also decided to seek Supreme Court monitoring of the CBI probe into the Choppergate payoffs. The Congress, meanwhile, has claimed that the guilty will not be spared.
हेलीकॉप्टर वाला विवाद तो चल ही रहा है और सरकार ने सीबीआई से जांच कराने की घोषणा की है, लेकिन चूंकि इसमें मौजूदा जो सरकार है उसका और उसके महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्तियों का नाम आ रहा है, इसलिए भरोसा नहीं हो पा रहा है कि सरकार जो है सीबीआई से ईमानदारी से जांच करा पाएगी। इसलिए ये मांग उठ रही है और बिल्कुल जायज मांग है। उस मांग का हम समर्थन करते हैं कि सीबीआई की जांच की मॉनिटरिंग जो है वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट करे। और कांग्रेस का दामन अगर पाक साफ है तो हमको लगता है कि कांग्रेस को भी इस मामले में कोई एतराज नहीं होना चाहिए, ये उनके हक की बात होगी।
हर घोटाले की पोल खुलने के बाद, और पोल भारत में बाद में खुलती है, विदेशों में ज्यादा खुलती है, तो इनके भ्रष्टाचार के चर्चे जब हर जबान पे आ जाते हैं और देश और विदेश में इस भ्रष्टाचार की कहानी आम हो जाती है, तब ये सरकार जो है वो लिपापोती करने में जुट जाती है। तब ये सरकार जो है वो जागती है और कहीं न कहीं खाना पूर्ति करने में लगती है। इस हेलीकॉप्टर डील के मामले में भी, इस दलाली से जुड़े हुए डील के मामले में भी ठीक वैसा ही हुआ। इसलिए ये मान के सब लोग चलते हैं कि सीबीआई सरकार के दबाव में कहीं न कहीं पूरे के पूरे इस गंभीर जनधन से की लूट से जुड़े हुए मुद्दे पर लिपापोती करती है। इसलिए सीबीआई भी अगर जांच करे तो वो जुडिशियल निगरानी में करना चाहिए।
इटली की अदालत ने अगर कोई फैसला दिया है तो उसकी पूरी मालूमात हमें नहीं है कि क्या फैसला दिया है। सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहा है और इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बीच में किसी तरीके की टिप्पणी करना उचित नहीं है। देश के अंदर सीबीआई का काम इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना है, सजा देना अदालत का काम है।
Well, let's get in more from our associate editor Atish Srivastav, who will be talking to us about the kind of strategy that the opposition has in place from this point onwards. Atish, the government coming out and making big promises about taking action. But all that apart, it seems this is the perfect opportunity for the NDA, for the opposition to come out and strike the biggest blow to the government on this issue.
Well, exactly, Nidha. It's a great opportunity that opposition parties have got, and we can expect a stormy budget session in days to come, because budget session will start on 21st, and BJP, left parties, Samajwadi Party, all these parties are all set to raise this issue up in the parliament. There are demands from various quarters that there should be a JPC inquiry into the entire matter, and what we got to know that through a source in the government, that government will not really accept that demand in particular. They are saying that there is a CBI inquiry which is going on, and we need to wait for the investigation to get over to find out the details. But opposition parties, we've seen, especially Samajwadi Party, one of the most important constituent and supporter of UPA, is also saying that we need to have the thorough inquiry, and there should be, the beneficiaries should be brought out in open, and whosoever took money and the kickback were paid so to whosoever should be come out in open. So this is something which has been demand of BJP left leaders and Samajwadi Party. So we'll see a unity of opposition party in the budget session. BJP is saying that CBI is not an independent agency. They've been misused by Congress. They have so many examples that Congress have misused CBI, so there should be an independent inquiry which should be monitored by Supreme Court. That is what left leaders have also been saying. So CBI is also under target because the opposition party believes that this particular scam was doing the rounds since last almost 1 year, but nothing happened. They probably want to shield someone, and that is why they do not expect anything to come out.
So obviously, from what you're telling us, Atish, as far as the BJP is concerned, as far as the opposition is concerned, they're coming out and saying they don't trust the CBI. But at the end of the day, what we're also talking about, how we're talking about an important budget session that is at stake, that is a threat with the kind of stand that the BJP is taking on this issue.
Well, exactly. It's a very important session. We're all expecting that it will be a populist budget, because it may be the last budget which will be presented by UPA too, and they don't want this budget to be disrupted. So they would like to work out on a middle path, but so far no to JPC. That is what we're hearing from the government sources. Then what next? Something which needs to be finalized soon, because BJP and CPI, CPM, all have been saying that they don't want an independent CBI inquiry. They want a CBI inquiry monitored by Supreme Court because they don't really trust CBI's integrity because there have been many cases in past
Sure.
that CBI has been misused by Congress.